So we are walking to the shops to get some ingredients to make guacamole because I forgot to get it yesterday. So that is where we are starting today's video. And we've got Susie this weekend, so she's coming. She's so cute. Doggy, look at that, the dog, Susie. Susie, we are walking back, Susie, aren't we? Oh my god. That's one koala there. He's hard to see. And then there's the other koala right there. So cute. Hello. Koalas. Yeah, good girls. We are back home and I'm going to start getting stuff ready for Spud because that is what we're having for lunch/dinner. And then after that, after my parents come over, we are going to be heading out to the beach. So it's like 11 o'clock and my parents are coming at about 2 o'clock for lunch, and that is the plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything prepared now, and I'm going to read my book, and then every time I read a chapter I'm going to do some chores. Currently this is my chicken. I know it looks like potatoes, but it is chicken. I'm just boiling it in this great marinated sauce and just wait for it to come down, and then it's basically pulled chicken. So yeah, I've got Jinky out at the moment while Susie's outside. I begin by clearing out the dishwasher.
If you could read my mind.
Doing some reading. I'm currently reading this book. It is a new one. I'm up to the second one of the series and I'm loving it, so that is what I'm doing. Pot of Mist and Fury. I've got the chicken going, I have the potatoes boiling, and that's the onion ready to be cooked. I've got Susie, I'm not cooking you today. And then I have guac, tomatoes, cucumbers, beetroot, pineapple, corn, and lettuce. If you can't tell, I love to host and I love to cook. It's just something I like to do. I wish I was a bit of a better cook, but you know, we're practicing. Alright, Miss Susie, you have to go because I have to clean Henry's cage. What should we do? Should we get a schmacko? Let's get the schmacko. Are you ready? There you go, you have it. Good. Ah, I didn't realize you can't see me. workout. I don't know. So right now we are at Port Noarlunga Beach, or Southport, and this is where we are. We got Susie with us, and this is what it looks like around us. So look at these cliffs. I should really slow down, but it's okay. Probably like the last bit of great summer weather. Susie. Pretty sure it's Sam I'm out. Sand everywhere. Susie, such a sweet darling. Are we enjoying the sunshine? Are we enjoying the sunshine? Yeah. Yeah. Such a good girl. Yeah. Enjoying the sunshine. Oh yeah, tummy rubs. Alright, I'm gonna finish the vlog here today at the beach. Somewhere different. So yeah. Bye. Say bye to the beach. Bye bye.